Welcome to Dragon Valley. This demonstration will help you get started on your own Sneezing Dragons adventure. To begin your game, tap Play. This is the game selection page where you can choose which game you are going to play. You do need to successfully complete half of the games in each of these sections before the next section of games will become unlocked and available for play. For today's demonstration, we will play Game 1 in the Easy section. A few things to note is your menu is always here at the top of your screen, volume control, as well as the game selection page if you change your mind and want to go back to choose a different game, and the help button in case you have any questions during your play. The object of the game is to find and eliminate the 3 fire dragons at the top of your screen. You can do that by sneezing your water onto them and putting their fires out. To begin, since we have no idea yet where the fire dragons are hiding, we need to shoot our 3 sneezes, so in turn the fire dragons will sneeze back, and from the direction that those sneezes come from, we will then be able to have some sort of idea where those fire dragons are hiding. To begin the game, you tap the screen, which activates your first dragon. Around each dragon, once it's tapped, are 2 circles. The larger light gray circle indicates the zone where that dragon is able to sneeze, as the smaller dark gray circle indicates the zone where that dragon is able to move. Since he's fairly low at the bottom of the screen and his shooting range is not very high into the fire dragon's area, I'm actually going to move him right now. The way that you move the dragon is to tap the dragon and then slide your finger across the screen. Now this dragon is just going to shoot somewhere up here in order to get some kind of an idea where the fire dragon is hiding. I'm actually also going to move this dragon here and get him a little bit higher up the screen as well. Okay, once all 3 dragons are set, you tap play at the top of the screen. Okay. This dragon now is available for play. You'll notice the small dark circle around him. That indicates that he is not able to move. And the reason being is that you cannot move your dragon 2 turns in a row. So since he moved on the last turn, this turn he's only able to sneeze. So we are going to aim his sneeze for where this fire dragon sneeze came from, which came from this direction. So we follow that line up and we're just going to aim right here. Now this dragon, we're going to aim for where this sneeze came from. It's a little bit closer because the sneeze is larger. The larger the sneeze, the closer distance, the shorter distance it traveled to get there. So since he's a little bit further closer down to our side, we are going to aim maybe there. And then this dragon will aim for this sneeze, and we'll aim here and tap play. Okay. And once again, we are just going to aim our sneezes. I think this dragon will aim for this sneeze here. So we'll go up here. This dragon will aim for this sneeze. It's a little bit bigger, so it's a little closer. Try there. And this dragon will aim for this sneeze. We'll try there. A fire dragon is moving. Okay, so we did successfully eliminate one of the fire dragons. So you can tell the score up here at the top of your screen. They've lost one and have 2 lives left, and we still have all 3 dragons left. I think this time we'll have this dragon aim for this sneeze. Actually, I'm not going to do that because I see that this sneeze most likely came from this dragon, which we've already eliminated. So we will go ahead and aim all 3 of our dragons for this sneeze. Since the 3rd fire dragon moved, we really don't have an idea at all where to aim sneezes for him. So we will start here. Okay, we got our 2nd dragon, 1 left, and it looks like it came from this direction, so it couldn't be the one that we've already eliminated. So we'll just aim all 3 of our sneezes up here. So I'm actually going to reset this dragon. I meant to aim this one right here. If you do ever change your mind during play, you just tap the dragon again and it will allow you to reset your shot. Okay, we did it. We beat all 3 of the fire dragons. And that is how you play Sneezing Dragons. I hope you have fun playing your own games.